Hi there guys, welcome to another day in paradise. Yep, it's beautiful weather now. Visibility someplace between 50 to 100 meters and even less sometime. Driving speed slow and careful. Yep, some cars crazy driving with no lights. How does people expect we see them? No way. Well, anyway, I don't know how you can hear me this time. I'm not using any external microphone on my GoPro. I've been having issue with it last days, so therefore I haven't been making any videos. But my weekend didn't go as planned. It actually ended in that way that I did just help my dad to renew the shower on their bathroom. I didn't have any time to work on my car like I was going to do, but I will see if I can do it today, or at least change that wheel that is totally broken. At this time, as I say, and you can see, visibility is not very much. I'm just driving pretty safe and careful as I can. Yeah. Is a slippery condition now. There is snow. Seems like there is even slower traffic in front of me. Yes. They didn't start totally as I did plan. Actually, because Friday didn't even end as I planned to. I was going to let them repair the container chassis on Friday, the second one, but unfortunately I was that late, so it didn't happen. So they didn't fix that chassis until today. Therefore I did have to wait until 10 o'clock. That was the time they was able to do so. And it take about 45 minutes. Sorry guys, due to condition I'm a little bit focusing on this overtaking. Well, as I say, it take about 45 minutes to fix the other container chassis, so now the container sits correctly on both chassis, so now it's more easy for me to work with them and everything like that. glasses over my glasses. Yeah, I did just put up glasses in amber or orange color. It makes it more easy for me to see in the snow. I did just remember I have it. I don't know how well you see it. It's just like this. I don't know how it sees how you see through it, but at least I see much better now. Yeah, I did see on my last video I did really have to learn to keep my head more steady when I'm talking and with my GoPro on my head like I'm doing now. But so you know guys, I'm going to put I will probably put it around here, or if I will put it around here, one mountain bracket, and I will have my GoPro on like with a mountain bracket with like a ball joint, so I can, whenever I want to, I can rotate the camera and yeah, adjust it in all the way. I already get that piece. It's just the question to put, yes, this mountain bracket here, so it will be a bit more easier for me both to show you both outside and of course, as I say, inside to me. And if I like need to quickly show you something, I can just rotate the camera immediately. This is just how it is today. So this is very typical mountain driving here, because as I say, we are passing now a mountain, and this is just what happens. Especially in during the winter time and the summertime, we can a lot of time have some fog here, or even heavy fog. But thankfully it don't happen too often. We should be getting pretty close to an area for my right turn, so I will take I'm driving now on highway 1, and I'm going to leave that and take road 39. That will be to the left here where we are now. Did go off the road, but it was here when I did start when I was here earlier today on my first trip. I'm only going two trips today. Yeah, as I say, I did have to take the container chassis for a workshop, and that did just take time. I did have to wait until 10 o'clock, so I couldn't go. It's like 7 o'clock like I'm used to do. And compared to road condition, then that car is driving far too fast. Now the snow is starting to pile. I'm comfortable too much on my wiper blade. Well guys, I will not have it any longer now. I'm going to focusing on this driving. It's really difficult condition now to be driving in. Okay, there's people walking. As I say, anyway, I see everything that I'm not used to do. Last week I did see a guy, you did probably see it in my last video. There was somebody actually biking in in this cold snowy condition. Yes, and now I see people walking, and this is a little bit crazy. It's middle of winter, and you can expect all kinds of weather here. So I don't know what people are thinking by doing this. And as I did see, they wasn't extremely much prepared for this kind of walking or maybe hiking. I don't know what they're doing, but as I say, I feel it a little bit crazy and stupid. This is a mountain. We are in middle of nowhere, and we can't extend of weather, and the road here can actually close pretty fast. If they feel it's going to be like a danger, and it's coming to the point that car can be in troubles and like that, then they simply just close the road. Otherwise, the volunteer search and rescue people have to be rescuing the people from the cars and assisting them like that, and that's something that we don't want. Then they actually have been doing that last couple of years, instead of having all this trouble with cars and like that, then they are starting more and more just to close the roads. Well guys, I'm going to end this video now. Until next time, please subscribe, hit the like button, and feel free to make some comment. And if this video is old when you see it, you're still free to make comment. I always check up my comments. So okay guys, take care. Until next time, see you then in another day in a paradise.